Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front license plate bracket, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.